Hi guys, it's Damien for another video. Just woke up a few minutes ago. Probably sorry. Woke up 30 minutes ago probably. And yeah, trying to work on the project and continuing my suite test. Here I wanted to do another case where when, for example, you're trying to add twice the offer, it shouldn't be added to the list, right? Because basically, I apologize, but basically you can't. The user will not be able to accept one particular offer twice. Yeah. So let's do it. I'm pretty much writing the same thing. Hope you are doing well. Hope you slept well. Have a good night. Yeah, I'm still, just wake up. Like I said, just woke up. I'm gonna do the same thing here, pretty much. And what I want to do is, like I have the profile of the offers empty. The thing is, obviously we change. So we don't really need to do that again, because we already seen that is working. So we don't really need to do that. So what we need to do here is like that, and then you accept it twice, right? And profile offers count should be 1, but not 2, right? And it's probably going to say it's 2, and the test is going to fail. I guess, because we accepted twice the offer. Oops. Syntax error. Where is the syntax? Oh yeah, there's a do missing here. But it's weird, because Okay, I have that, I have that. So why isn't it yellow? So weird. Okay, it was just a bug, right? Yeah, I don't know. Alright, so let's run it again. Yeah, got to, right? So, meaning the database is alluring to have um, to have uh, an offer, the same offer twice onto the um, John table here, which is not not what we want. So we are going to modify that. I think um, yeah, this is something. Yeah, this is something like that. We should do. Like we should have unique stuff on the offer, basically, and 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 we gotta make sure as well that the profile and the offer combined are unique as well. So let's see how to add. I guess it would be a migration, but okay. So I have to do. I had to add an index on that. All right. Rails migration. Add indexes to what is it called? Is it is it profile offer relationship? Here we go. Here it is. Now I have to open my migration stuff. And the thing is, I've done it on, I can't really remember where we was, but I've done it on a previous stuff, like create, oh, this is it, I think. Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing I'm gonna do here. Add index people, blah blah blah, unique. Alright, so this is gonna be offers. We have acceptor profile ID basically. This is pretty much the same. Here I'll have the offer ID true and make both unique as well. Name profile offer index. So it's pretty like sort of easy because I've done it before, so I just have to, copy paste what I did on that particular part, so it's not the most difficult thing I have to do. I'm gonna rake db migrate oops, what's going on here? Profile ID doesn't exist. Alright. Well, it does exist though. I mean, unless I made a mistake, but yeah, it does exist. Profile ID. Oh, I mean, this is the one I did. Yeah, I know why. Yeah, that's the thing when you copy paste stuff, you forgot to change something and everything is, yelling at you. So now it should be good, I guess. Okay, good. So as you've seen, I'm sure the test wasn't working, right? I think if I run it now, it should be working because the database will not allow to save more than two. I mean, the offer should be unique, so the database should not be able to accept two offers into the table. I mean, to the same offer twice, basically. Shouldn't be able to accept it. So it still should be 1. I should probably precise that on the test. That's that, and I open that. I should write down here. Oh. Yeah, this is what I want, but I didn't expect it to. I didn't expect it to fail on the tests. I should probably have something. Should raise that. Should raise this error. Like, um. And the second one, I guess I can do something like. No, it's actually not that. So we're almost there because it's actually telling you that you shouldn't be able to save twice the same database, the same offer, which is good, but I don't want the test to fail like that. I want to. Oh, what is saying now? Blah blah blah. Meaning what? It doesn't raise it or. Should I put that in block? Maybe. Fine. Expect. Right. Um, you know, I should have put parenting. Oh, it's working actually. So here we go. We got it. Um, yeah, and probably what I think on that, on that. No, probably not there, but on the other side, on the profile of her spec, we have that. I don't know if I did it already, but to make sure that, okay, validate presence of. So I think we're pretty good. We're pretty good with that. Um, I mean, I'm trying to think of another test. I was thinking already a third one, which is when you're trying to save into the database um, on the joint database on the joint table without one of the ID, one of, for example, the profile ID is missing or the offer ID is missing, but we already tested it by doing that, so it should be fine. I don't need specifically to write the test on that. So I think I'm gonna stop this one, and I think the like the how to say the I'm trying to thinking of another test I could do, but uh, yeah, I'm thinking about another test, but I think the profile and the accept method is sort of fully tested. Accept offer method is fully because you just add something into, so I think it's fine. Maybe we can do another one with two different offer. That's something we can do. Just to, you know. Mm, but where is it? Yeah. Well, should I? Do I really need to try that? Not really. Alright, so I think we're good so far in terms of that method. Um, yeah, I'm gonna commit here git status. And I think the next step would be to do pretty much the same, but the reverse. I mean the same pattern, but the reverse for the cancel method. Git add for I was also thinking of a better name for this, like accepted offers and offers. But at the same time, I was like, I could have called it offering, but it's not really offering because it's really when there is a line or record saved into that table, that means that the user accepted the offer, right? So, but at the same time, when you will call that, you will call it offers, and you may be wondering what offers are we talking about? Is it all the offers that the user had been offered from many companies, or is it offers that the user actually accepted? But I think if I mean in some if somebody else is reading the code, he will probably guess or understand that we are talking about the accepted offers because you have those offers, you're getting those offers through the accepted offers table, right? So you should, I mean, through this method, which is related to the join table, which is the association between a profile and an offer. So which basically represent the offer accepted by the user. So that's why I kept it that way. Add testers to offers, and I think that's it actually. and maybe I think we're good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna have some breakfast. I'm gonna take some fruits and get back to it. Think I will have what, one hour, a bit more than 1 hour. So see you guys, thanks for watching. Bye.